Foundation Module 9 Use Modular Integrated Undergraduate Curriculum Physiology Sheikh Zayed Medical College Physiology Department. Dr. Sheen, CEO and founder, Medical Superfast Simplified Physiology Video Lecture Notes Guyton and Hall 14 Edition Chapter number 51 Lecture number 14 Chapter 51 Learning Objectives Define and describe different mechanisms of light adaptation. Light adaptation is the process by which the eye adjusts to changes in light levels, allowing to see clearly across a wide range of lighting conditions from bright light to dim light. The mechanisms of light adaptation involve both the retina and neural processes in the brain. The human eye adapts to light through several mechanisms. Light adaptation. If a person exposed in bright light for hours, large portions of the photochemicals in both the rods and the cones reduce to retinal and opsins. Retinal of both the rods and cones converted into vitamin A. Because of these two effects, the concentrations of the photosensitive chemicals remaining in the rods and cones are considerably reduced, and the sensitivity of the eye to light is correspondingly reduced. This is called light adaptation. Conversely, if a person remains in darkness for a long time, the retinal and opsins in the rods and cones are converted back into the light sensitive pigments. Furthermore, vitamin A is converted back into retinal to increase light sensitive pigments, the final limit being determined by the amount of opsins in the rods and cones to combine with the retinal. This is called dark adaptation. Pupil reflex, pupillary light reflex. Definition: the pupil reflex is a rapid automatic response that controls the size of the pupil, regulating the amount of light entering the eye, or when light entering the eyes, the pupils constrict, a reaction called the pupillary light reflex. In darkness, the reflex becomes inhibited, which results in dilation of the pupil to allow more light to reach the retina, improving vision in the dark. In bright light, the pupils constrict to reduce light entry and prevent retinal damage. Function is to help the eye adapt extremely rapidly to changing light conditions. The neuronal pathway of pupillary light reflex 1. Light impinges on the retina. A few of the resulting impulses pass from the optic nerves to the pretectal nuclei. 2. Secondary impulses pass to the Edinger-Westphal nucleus. 3. Finally, back through parasympathetic nerves to constrict the sphincter of the iris. 2. Photoreceptor adaptation, rods and cones. Definition: photoreceptor adaptation involves the adjustment of the sensitivity of the photoreceptors, rods and cones, in the retina to different light levels. Mechanism: cones responsible for color vision and high acuity vision in bright light quickly adapt to changes in light intensity within minutes. This allows the eye to function well in bright conditions. Rods responsible for vision in low light are much more sensitive to light. However, they adapt more slowly than cones, taking up to 30 minutes to fully adapt to darkness. 3. Neural adaptation definition. Neural adaptation refers to changes in the processing of visual information in the retina and the brain, helping to maintain a stable perception of the environment despite various light conditions. Mechanism: the retina and brain adjust the way they process visual information, filtering out excess light and enhancing contrast to improve visibility. This involves changes in the activity of retinal ganglion cells and in the processing of visual signals in the visual cortex. Neural adaptation occurs over several seconds to minutes. NANG. Retinal pigment regeneration definition. This mechanism involves the regeneration of photopigments, rhodopsin in rods and photopsins in cones, that have been bleached by exposure to bright light. Mechanism: rhodopsin in rods is highly sensitive to light and can become bleached or temporarily non-functional after exposure to bright light. Rhodopsin regeneration in darkness allows rods to recover sensitivity to low light. Rods take much longer to regenerate rhodopsin, contributing to the slower adaptation to cones. Cones regenerate their photopigments more rapidly than rods, allowing them to rapidly adjust to changes in light. 5th, visual cortex adaptation. Definition: visual cortex adaptation refers to the brain's ability to adjust to different levels of brightness and contrast, optimizing visual perception. Mechanism: The visual cortex adapts by adjusting contrast sensitivity, enhancing or suppressing signals from the retina based on the light levels, and processing visual information to maintain consistent perception. This adaptation is continuous and occurs in parallel with retinal adaptations. Summary: light adaptation having a variety involving rapid pupil constriction, adjustment of photoreceptor sensitivity, rods and cones, neural processing adaptations in the retina and brain, and the support of the retinal pigment epithelium. These mechanisms work together to allow the human visual system to function effectively across a wide range of lighting conditions, protecting the visual system and ensuring that we can see clearly whether in bright daylight or in dim environments.